Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from She's Making an Impact.com, and I got a really good question about what was my life like, kind of like a day in the life in the very beginning of this business. And did I work full-time while I was building it? Did I launch my business without a safety net? These are some really good questions. So I started She's Making an Impact in the end of August 2017. 2017. And so a lot has happened since I launched that business. So what was a day in the life like when I first launched it? It was busy for sure. It was a lot of me doing a lot of the work in my business. And so I didn't have the money to invest in a Facebook ads manager or, like a copywriter, a designer, and all these things that we're blessed to have now. But when I was first getting started, I was kind of trying to do all of it, right? Did I have a safety net? Not really. We had money saved up in the bank, but I was also making money through my network marketing company. And so my network marketing company was my very first business that I was in for about 6 years. And my income, it was six figures back in the good old days. And it was cut in half when the company restructured. So I was making about $3,000 to $4,000 a month when I started this business. So I guess that would be kind of like a safety net of, I don't know how long this is going to last if I stop doing it. But I had a little bit of money coming in that I was able to reinvest in other parts of my business, which was very, very helpful. But I still bootstrapped pretty much everything of doing things very cheaply or free in the beginning, because I was investing in a coach that was $2,000 a month. And I mean, when you have a business, you have investments that need to be made, right? So in the very beginning, I actually had like a schedule of what my focus was every day of the week. And so Monday was always blog post day. So I'd be doing a blog post. I tried to keep client calls. At that time, I didn't have a ton of clients in the very beginning, but I would keep them scheduled to Tuesday, Thursday in the afternoon if possible. I tried to segment everything. So Monday would be like, I have to focus on writing blog content and updating my website. And every day I was like, how can I build my email list? And then Tuesday, what did I do? I think Wednesday was video day. Friday was Pinterest. Thursday was Instagram, where I would like batch schedule for the week. Forget what Tuesday was. But every day of the week I had a specific focus. So this was before I had a social media manager. I was trying to do this on my own too. And then I was doing podcast interviews and trying to get all these things set up and scheduled on my own. So was it busy? Yes. Did I still make time for family and all that stuff? Yes. So TJ was in school at this point during the day. So like a full school day or whatever. And so when he was at school, I was working. Did I still work on the weekends when I was first building? Yes, I did. Did we have time to play? Yes. But I did make some sacrifices in the beginning just until we got off the ground. And so by January, I was able to hire Ariana, who's like an executive assistant on our jack of all trades on our team. And then by April, I was able to hire Lizzie, our social media manager, and then Michelle a couple months later, who does our customer service. And so slowly I was able to take things off of my plate. And now I work 25 hours a week and I do the things that I'm really good at and only I can do, and I delegate the rest. So when you're first starting, you're gonna probably be working a lot and it's gonna feel like you're doing a lot of things. And it's hard to say, like, it's almost necessary to do that stuff. You kind of have to like pay your dues until you have enough money coming in where you can reinvest it in a team and other parts of your business. So just know that if you're doing the right things, like creating content, if you have a mentor that's kind of guiding you along this path, it's short-lived. It is short-lived and it will pay off. So that's pretty much what a day in the life was when I was first starting. I wish I would have tracked how much I was working at that point. I still wouldn't say it was more than like 50 or 60 hours a week, but I couldn't tell you at this point. I do have a blog post now. If you search Google Rachel Ngom and Entrepreneur Schedule Secrets, you'll see what my schedule looks like now and what are the things that only I do and what are the things that I delegate and outsource. So that's pretty much it. Day in the life when I very first started, busy, doing a lot of things and staying focused on building my email list, adding massive value to my people, creating content. That is definitely going to be the key. So head to the blog, check out that blog post, My Entrepreneur Schedule Secrets, and I'll see you in the next video.